Enti ye brother ba ku free Ghana ebetena Canada na obaye no na oye obi a we nya ne first time. Of course, we tutu kwan bebre na Canada kra na we eye ne second time. We di free Ghana eba. And of course, obaye obedru ye no na wose bibi ha no ofie enti ode ne ho ekoma Canada aban. Eno na chi no orei starting nya no work permit enya niam bi esefata se or starting no ye adwuma Canada and or shall say so or ye adwuma. Na ni nyina ne se ewo mu one time and of frame na se senior man enkomo ho ana me se amane and o se enkomo no nyina ne se me nante se nyina ne se me abrante a me gina wani ma me ne odi nkomo yi medi nipa makoma be ye se enum bi enim a o mu nyina mama o mu di sika de so probi akoma eye maami bia your friend Araba. And this woman a promise say what is half phone nyina eba Canada. Me and me so me and am ono so me say nim nipa bia and nam wono so a omu nyina abedu Canada. Ntimi de me gine di ena eja me kodi agina mu me kokoye third person me wo in between the two say e likely say obetimi di omo ayeden aba. Abreachiri. Anyway, now enkomodi di enimu na oti amena so say senior man pa cha ono de from Bramilo magigi sika ma anti ye friend Arabai na bra me friend na onfa me call Ghana fo enso pressure na omode yeden omode ema me no gine enche obi kura be frɛ me ampa na omo hyase kran na we frɛ omo mbe buru ni dua buru ni nua omo so oba Ghana mbe chinatum omo so mbe kwakoton ni fi ene na ensam ne ye bebre nti owura no na duro no so amfa na duro na amfa na Canada banka chen say okay aha ye de mra na echichire ye man nti ajampani si ebo odin hye mra nye na ebo odin etu emra gu nso a enye nti say amfa mawo go back to your country and owura na tabiri ne back na sa na okọ Ghana nti okudru Ghana voice a oye bremi eni
Rapper Emilio, good afternoon, Ghana. But I want to say, when you saw us all the time, it is table some no Casawan. Me who has a brother, not me, she be a few. Ning Nana say, Omo Nam, so much my palm, introducing Omoma. That may Arab Elizabeth no, yeah, Ghana for Panafesino. 2 years in a month of fame, but maybe you might be Jimmy Fiaka Funk of us, fake travel agent. More by the deal of your. Me your son reported by me, the family some reporting to me the Yamisro. When your time, I want to make Casa just 2 minutes. Now, Yama plan will say, yeah, mean take action. Now, also, Mama made different action. Come, my man on my friend on fat. My friend on fat.
Okay, let's just say, Ura no nsema we sa Sunday me eno no. Nsema kan nyina ne say, na nipa me makodi wakagina mu, nipa wo enam oso a madi wani ma makogi sika. Afri nipa bi aso ye de ama o say, ji na po om na fa om bra Canada. Afa ba ne sen na me frɛ wo a wo mfa me call. Eti now. Me so me try my best to send commitment I reach out to this lady, a friend Araba. I organize a Panafest. I walk all the way Alberta. Both Edmonton and Calgary. Now, friend na on Faber actually no started so or pick me call. Intimate Pemono and Busa and sister. And ya be a idea na ekosona. Nipa bi di assembly atumeni no se bo milo and ya no cre. Nemum and ya boapayo ma try senka kwanya mefa so a me so mema me nuanom Ghana fo. Of course me di bia ba pen na me try se mema e bia the next batch yaba, but enema bi aba abesensen wiemu ama ekame akoye se emu ayedin kakra enti wo mo antwen na mo twintwen omo na se kakra na megusu a me yeden yese oba che adware a na wo siesie no enti megusu a me pempem so a se enema betuto yie now enkomo twitwe no mu wonkomra na metafre na me ni di nkomo na ye kase ne but still no patch say ne ho kra mfa no oh yeah ne ho mfa no enti ogusu a all battle illness bi na ohwese ne ho to no a obeba na afi yatena se na so okay mat now yedi ni nyina eto nchen eti omu a be yes 2 months 3 months time and blow yes Arabai say na ono nyame ato ne nsa afrɛ no nti ɛbɛyɛ news nti hwɛ camera no anim koraa ɛbɛyɛ news a ne da abɔnten public domain konsa.com ɛhɔ na menya me source no free a wobɛkɔm social media handles bebree na what they are saying and what they were saying ne sɛ araba sɛbi wato nananom ɛwɔ nseɛ do waka nkyinegu ɛma ebi mu nso ɛsɔre sɛ me wagye me sister sika nti deɛ bɛyɛ ne sɛ na yie na se nsabɔdeɛ no magye na me deɛ ɛdan me deɛ ateme ka so bi obi nso kyɛ sɛ ɔgyapadeɛ bɛkɔ akɔtɔ ɛne opia keka ne nsɛm pii nti one time na mpeke me phone ɛna me frɛ araba sɛ araba me frɛ ya na opeke ye na me sɛ hey nipa na asaman waso sidiem ɔsere sɛ asimilo me nwuye me da so ti ase pa na ɛmo wa sɛ ya bɔ mawuto na me hu nipa omo da source no a wotimi spread ye se me nwui me yamini da so ti ase me wa ha me boaboa me ho kra den makọ Ghana na me say sister well enti abusua sister na kodu Ghana ya bona wuto me nya no ene no atwetwe nkomo ene no kase enti nkomo twetwe no one me kasa ko achi pa yenkotie nkomo no bi araba Ghana First Edmonton Calgary. Oko Ghana nankasa Ghana to say what did you move like Oko Ghana to say how was the atmosphere so could do here ya bow wuto and then as a phone at the same
one good thing is the response I got from people was like nyo na yesi we wu no ukra ba ko bi de mami pani bi pa me bu ne pa o say how can you do that how can you how can you you fake your own death? Mission di mankasa. What you say? And you fake your own death. Minina mankasa. And then I don't go out. Honestly, back home in Ghana right now, Minky. I am not all over in the city to say that I don't say I'm a very reserved person. What I say, I normally work with the diaspora and some of I work with. That was my office, and that is mostly what I do. It was mostly the government terrain near there, and because I got back, I wasn't well. I'm still recouping. I have stayed home. I'm trying to sort out things in the house because my house was a mess, and I'm putting things together. Municika and the mechanic criteria patcho. I started to say, kind of sense one on. Still, we told that I saw so. And someone says, yes, I still, yes, to me. And I never out officially say,
I have a question. Sir, as I'm no more saying, and your impact also.
No, I don't feel that there has impact. No, I'm making me a casino or mission and I say maybe socially outside within the society, and it has really, really affected me. I won't lie to you. As I speak, number one, it has affected my business, my project, my event, my life, everything. So see, BBI is at a standstill. My sponsors, people who were trying to support me, to a certain extent, even my affiliates, supporting me program, however, little. Even those who are not giving me money, but giving me moral support, you know, it came out that bad. Omari draw. I won't lie, it has really affected me.
And your family, at the same
honestly, it's really affected my mother. As I speak, my mommy are clinic in and out like that because my mom is hypertensive. It's more critical than mine. What you are saying. And the funny thing is, you see, their videos are still there. You know, this is where the sad bit is. Those videos are still there.
Video portrait to the social media say
Yeah, it is still on social media. They still have it posted on their it still circles in the system. And people, people who have not even like probably heard about it yet. And then I'm like, oh no, maybe it's the old news. Please ignore what you're saying. And it's really affected, especially my classmates. Also my Hobson, my only child school, me here group now, the biggest your family say homecoming just recently. It's really affected them. What you're saying, and all my friends, my family, I mean, and as we speak till this particular moment, we have still not like recovered. But me, I'm trying to concentrate on my recovery health-wise. Like I say, I'm balancing my health first. And I'm very grateful to God. Say, those who actually supported me, it's me chance, I tickets, the bar fee to reconnect with the soil, to reconnect with whatever was drawing me back home, so that I can probably have some kind of spiritual healing first and all of that. The hope on on the right platform yet, but I believe within my heart, acknowledges it and will let it manifest, because I always pray for them. Even when in my lowest, they could understand and accept all the things that I was going through and support me to come home. Yamisho bia Meka. Yamisho Omutimi Ebuame and Tama Minoka say.
Okay. Observe na araba ena yete ne nka no. Wachechi ne mumpa. Yes abani. Ebako enti so far dey wase ade na aka no pa. Awuto na omobo no. Obi hu na wase yes wo. Meso osida bi minwui. Obi hu na wase ade na wankasa. Oje wo home na wodi ba social media so wo enso na wunwuye eba ne sen. Araba, say sister no asema wo kan nyina ne say onwui oda so tiase atiase fo asase so a wodi enchi na yedi bi na affect no. Yes, oso ka say affect na oboa o say affect no pa enima aye style e wona na kache oye bibia na ekamia ko say wonya like a traumatizing no o ma me na busua ne namfofo ne ade. Wow, eti well, kakra yawo enemo ekano no. Bedi ekuso, bebi a story no betu bia no. Yede ebeto aso amamo. Ba menu kese ye di nyame adom wakodu Ghana. Oguso a wosa no ho yade. Milo TV Toronto, Canada. Send your first time I will no subscribe. We are no like no comment na fe. Wa share. Bari bim, bari boom, bari bem. Yeah.